Okay, it's Sunday morning. I've got to get my guys fed here. Time to get cooking. Yeah, I know. I'm a mess. Haven't brushed my hair yet. Still in with pajamas. It's okay. Everybody's got to be fed. Let's do this. Okay, it's the end of the month. I need to make a grocery list. So, I'm checking the fridge and the freezer, and this is what we've got. I'm going to make a breakfast casserole. I've got a baking pan there, some cooking spray, pint of milk, eggs from my girls yesterday. I got 7. And some diced tomatoes left from tacos. Found a thing of sausage in the freezer. Got a few diced potatoes left. That should be enough. And that's all the cheese I have left for this month. And I've got some pink Himalayan salt, some onion powder, some fresh ground black pepper. Let's get this going. My guys are hungry. Okay, I got the plastic wrap off the sausage. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Now that should thaw it out, right? 2.5 minutes, microwave. There we go. I need you to thaw out. And my camera quit me. Okay, we're back. Anyway, I washed my eggs because they're farm fresh. They're from my girls. They need to be washed. We're going to crack the 7 eggs they gave us yesterday in this bowl. Two. Yeah, I'm a messy cook. I'm a messy cook, but I'm a good cook. And number 4. 5. My husband always tells me I should slow down. I shouldn't have the burner on so high. I just want to cook, get it on the table, eat and feed everybody. Alright, there's 7 eggs. I've got messy fingers. Come over here and wash. I put my milk back in the refrigerator. Be right back. Okay. Got the milk. This is my pint of milk. Because, yeah, still have not gone to the store to get milk. This is why I keep it on the shelf. This is why I can my milk. I buy it on sale. The last time I bought milk, I got half gallons for 99 cents each. There was a limit of 5. And I canned 2 gallons of milk. Now you know what? I'm not going to pay $4.50 for a gallon of milk. That's crazy. Okay, so here's a tip. When you're opening your jar, to save your lid, because you reuse them. Yes, you can reuse them. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you want to find the empty spot. This here, there's a glass ridge, it goes all the way around the jar. You want to find the spot where there's no glass ridge. Take a butter knife, put it over. I can't do this backwards, y'all. Just trust me. Put it on the spot that there's no ridge. Take the flat end of your can opener. Make sure it's on the top of that knife so you don't bend the lid. And slowly, did you hear that? Good seal. Okay, I'm going to pour a little bit of this milk in my eggs. And that should do it. I'll get a ring for, oh, it smells so good. I love my canned milk. I'm going to get a ring for that and get it back in the fridge. Throw my garbage away, wipe my counter off before I have egg olive ring. We'll be right back. Okay, sausage out of the microwave. Thaw it out. Going in the pan. Okay. Handy dandy meat masher. Love this thing. If you don't have one, you should have one. Get one. Really. Okay, that's over there, and I stuck my finger in the sausage, and I couldn't even begin to tell you why. Okay, now, I had to tidy up. I was running out of room, and I had egg on the counter. Okay, some more onion powder, in the eggs and milk. Season all the layers as you go. A little more pepper. Another pinch of this pink Himalayan salt. I need one of those fancy bowls that I've seen y'all have. The little round wooden one that the lid slides one way or the other. Those are pretty cool. Oh, don't forget the diced tomatoes I got left over. Let's get that in here on top of these potatoes first. I'm a little scatterbrained yet. I've only had half a cup of coffee. I need the full cup of coffee and another one. For real. Okay, so we're gonna put these tomatoes in here. God, spread everything around. Okay, there we go. And I've got messy fingers again. Yeah, it happens a lot. Okay, so we'll just wash our fingers really quick. Grab them toe, turn them off. It's all good. Okay, so tomatoes on top of the potatoes. That was already seasoned. Set him off on the side again. Now we're gonna whisk those eggs. Whisk them really good. You want them fluffy. Okay. You know what? This can wait a few minutes because I've got to cook that sausage. Let's go cook that sausage. Okay, this is my first time recording using a tripod that's actually not meant for a phone. You guys would laugh if you saw how I have this phone strapped to this tripod with rubber bands. Seriously, I need to go find me one at the store. So anyway, meat masher, love it. We're cooking the sausage. So, as soon as this is done, we'll be right back. Still cooking the sausage. Ha! You can see the tripod leg with my camera. No, let's not do that. There we go. Okay. Now we can see the pan again. You guys didn't believe me when I said I had this thing strapped to a tripod leg with rubber bands, did you? I do. I'm bound and determined to make my cooking videos because I love to cook. I think I've got some really good recipes. You know, anyone should be able to know how to make a breakfast casserole. You just throw some stuff in a pan and bake it. But maybe somebody doesn't. So I'll show them how I do it. Anyway, still waiting on this to brown. We'll be back. Okay, I'm back. The sausage is done. Lots of little brown pieces in there. Yummy. Delicious. This was a whole pound. I'm not putting a whole pound in there. It's not happening. We gotta save some meat here for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll make some homemade biscuits and sausage gravy. Stretch this meat out. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. So anyway, I'm putting half of this in here. So half a pound of breakfast sausage. And I'm really impressed with this Kroger mild pork sausage that I got on sale. It didn't really have too much grease in the pan, it didn't look like. But I decided to drain it and see on a paper towel. And it didn't like leak through, so there wasn't a ton. I mean, there's going to be grease on sausage. There's no getting around that. But there wasn't a lot. I'm very happy with it. I would buy it again. Seriously. Okay, the sausage is on top of the potatoes and tomatoes. There we go. Cheese. Grated some sharp cheddar cheese last night. It was my last block of cheese. And we had soft tacos last night. I'll have pictures of that coming up in a future video too. On one of my what was for dinner videos. Okay, so cheese, please. There we go. Alright, I'm going to whisk these eggs up. Yeah. Lots of bubbles, light and fluffy, and I'm already making a mess again, because that's how I roll. And this was 7 eggs because that's what my girls gave us yesterday. And, oh, I should do it like this so you guys can see, right? Okay, I'm learning. This is my first video filming myself doing cooking. I'm going to pour that all over there. That's how you do it. Okay. And that's done. I'm just going to tap it down a little bit. Make sure the egg mixture got in everywhere. And I'd already seasoned the potatoes. I seasoned the eggs. I'm not going to put any more on this because we're kind of watching our salt around here, and the sausage I'm sure had seasonings in it and salt too. So this is going to go in a 375-degree oven for at least 30 minutes. We'll check it in 30 and see where we're at. We sure are hungry. Ta-da! It's done. There we go. That's the breakfast casserole. Isn't that beautiful? You can see it's done. All right, y'all. I'm going to cut this and serve it up and get my family fed. I'll show a picture at the end on our plate what it looks like. Thanks for watching.